it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. And I mean again today because you hopefully will have seen my Top Tip Tuesday video earlier. And I mentioned in that I was going to use my top tip of die cutting lots of the flower and then stamping it using the Stamparatus in a project for tonight's blog hop. And this is the project that I have prepared. It's for the Stamping Up Home Decor blog hop, which hopefully you will have joined me from Sarah over in the US, and I hope you will hop along with all of the projects. I have been using the Floral Romance Designer Series paper and suite for a fairly major team event that I've got coming up, where I'm going to be showcasing lots of projects using this suite. And you never know, some of them may be coming up with you very soon, because I like to share as many things as I possibly can in as many places as I possibly can. So this is my project for the Home Decor blog hop, and as I say, it uses the wonderful Romance suite. I'm not going to show you how I made it because that is being saved for the team, and it's one of the benefits that they get of being a member of my team, as well as being a member of a smaller team. So I've had a few new people join me this month. I know some teams have had dozens join this month, but I pride myself, certainly at the moment, obviously I'm hoping that my team will grow, but at the moment I'm able to really nurture my team members because we are a relatively small team. There's, you know, over a dozen of us, but it's a manageable number at the moment, particularly as I'm only just going full-time as a demonstrator, so obviously I can grow now with my team. So the actual wherewithal of how to make this is going to be for my team, but basically I have used the beautiful lace dynamic embossing folder at the back here, just on plain vellum, and I've mounted that on some fresh fig so that there is a subtle background that's not too dramatic, but it tones in nicely with the whole piece. I stamped the image on watercolour paper in Stays-On ink so that I could then watercolour, which I then did with my aqua brush, I should say. And then obviously I die cut lots of leaves in Pear Pizzazz and Sahara Sand, and then stamped them all in Sahara Sand, and then made this lovely wreath, which is two-dimensional. So the way I managed to do that was having stamped, I was just using my bone folder to get some dimension into the die so that it's not just flat. And all I was doing was, to create my wreath, was adhering the stalk of one under the leaf of the one next door to make the circle. So having watercoloured, having made my wreath, I cut a circle in the centre of a piece of just plain white cardstock with some of the beautiful vellum from the Designer Series paper pack, so that it's got that lovely soft background, which obviously matches the ribbon here. And this is just a simple ribbon stuck on with a glue dot, and then I've die cut and heat embossed Love You using two slightly older sets, the Sunshine Wishes dies, which is where I got the love, and the Celebrate You dies, which is how I got the you. And then I die cut them 4 times in Petal Pink with multi-purpose adhesive on the back so I could create a stack. And then I die cut them again and then heat embossed with Versamark, and I've got about 4 layers of heat embossing on each of these, and then just mounted all of that onto my stack of die cuts so it's got some dimension. So it's actually not a difficult piece to make, it's just a little more involved. anyhow, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will go over to the link below in the description bar and go to the associated post there. And from there, you'll be able to hop along, and the next stop is Tina, who is back in the USA. So thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Oh, and I should say this is just one of the IKEA frames. I've taken the plastic out so that it doesn't glare. But I hope you enjoy this piece and all the others you will see along on the blog hop. There are close-ups of this on my blog post. There's also a list of the items that I've used. Please do remember when you shop with me that if you use the host code, you get to share in host rewards. So I will send you, as well as the thank you gift and thank you card, if you use the host code, you also get a share in the host rewards, and you get sunflower vouchers, which once you've got 10 of those, you get to exchange those for free product. So thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.